Okay, we're looking at a probability question slash multiplication of fractions problem here. So it's a 7th grade math probability with 5th grade mathematics embedded within it. We have this circle and it's divided into 10 sections, right? A spinner. And every time you spin, you got a 1 in 10 shot at any one of these numbers, right? At any particular spot. Now, depending on the numbers, it's more than 1 in 10. So I see like 3 zeros here, 1, 2, 3. Every time I spin, I got a 3 out of 10 shot at landing on the 0. Every time I spin, I got a 1 in 10 shot landing on 20, and so on, right? And so if I'm going to spin 150 times, whatever my 1 out of 10 shot is at this time, I multiply by 150, and that's going to give me the amount of times I should be able to land on something. So this is theoretical probability, right? So here we go. The arrow will land on 20 about how many times? So let's work this out. On 20 about how many times? So let's go here. Oh, look, under the grid, no. None. So I get rid of the grid all at one time. There's a way to do it. I just forgot. Okay, so I'm landing on 20. So that's my magic number. 20 is right here. That's the only time it pops up. So that first spin, it's a 1 out of 10 shot. And all I gotta do is multiply times what? 150. Okay, and then that's it. This one's up to you, how you want to multiply this, how you want to do this. If you see this right here and you want to get that over 10, if you've learned things like, well, those zeros are going to be gone, it's going to be 15. You have 15 times. They should land on it around 15 times. That's on you, how you figure this one out. For me, you can divide by 10 if you want to. If you want, for example, I'm going to say pretty almost symbolic in nature. I know that 10 times what gives me 150? Well, I know that 10 times 10 is 100. All right, if I really struggle with division, I can do this, right? And then I go minus 100. I'll get that 50. So what times 10 gives me 50? Well, 10 times 5 is 50, so there's my 15. Just in case I'm struggling, I like using area model for division. But I know one thing, it's going to be 50, right? So I should be able to land this guy 15 times. It's an inline choice. There it is. And by the way, that's the answer. How about a 0 or a 5? So let's come back here, bring out that thing again. A 0 or a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On a 0 or a 5, it's half the spinner. Okay, so really it's half of the spinner. If you can't see that, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's half of the entire area of that spinner. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now a 3rd grade math fraction problem, guys. So it's half of it. If you want to use 5 over 10, knock yourself out. I know it's half. So the hard part about this is, again, language. What is half of 50? And that one you should be able to tell me. It's 75. If you can't, then divide it, right? Half of 50. Most 7th graders can tell me what half of 50 is, and that's what you're looking for. All right, and if you need to, and you're a teacher watching this, you can do this as well. Strip diagram it as well, right? Do everything we learned when we were smaller and take it from there. What is half? What's this half? And what is that half? 75, 75, that adds up to 150. Everything we learned since we were little, we bring it in here and we apply it to our 7th grade math stuff. Very easy problem, really, guys. This test is very aceable. I think we should do really well. So if you're a student watching these videos, hope they help you out.